What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over enumeration. Enumeration, also called an enum, is a type of class that represents a specific group of constants that act like a variable declared as final. An enum, just like a class, has attributes and methods. The only difference is that enum constants are public, static, and final. So basically the values are unchangeable. An enum cannot be used to create objects, and it cannot extend other classes, but it can implement interfaces. To create an enum, use the enum keyword and separate the constants with a comma. So some more notes on enumeration. Enum variables should be in all uppercase letters. So when you think of final variables are usually in all uppercase letters. The same also applies to enums. Enums can be contained inside classes. Use enums when you have values that you know aren't going to change, like the months, the days, the colors, deck of cards, and so on. The enum type has a values method which returns an array of all enum constants. This method is useful when you want to loop through the constants of an enum. So here's a syntax for enumeration. Basically, you have the enum keyword followed by the name of the enum, and then within the brackets you have the values of the enum, which are all in uppercase letters followed by a comma. So now that we're a bit familiar with enums, let's go try it out in the code. Alright, so here we're in the code editor and we're just going to try out a simple enumeration. Basically what we're going to do is get the enumeration for all the days of the week. Alright, so we created our enum for all the days of the week, starting from Sunday to Saturday. So now let's output this in the main method. So first we'll just output one of the days of the week, and then we'll loop through the days of the week. Alright, so we created a days of the week enum, and we're going to assign that as Sunday from the days of week enumerator. And then we're going to output that to the main method. So let's do that right now. All right, so we got our output, pretty simple. We got Sunday, so pretty straightforward. So now that we've done this, let's loop through the whole enumeration of the days of the week. All right, so here I created a for each loop, which basically utilizes the days of week values method, and then basically assigns all the days into the print line statement, and that'll output all the days of the week that we have for our enumerator. So let's try that out right now. All right, so we got our output. We got from Sunday to Saturday. So pretty much the order that we had as well for our days of the week enumerator. Another thing that you could do is use enumerators in decision statements, such as a switch statement, for example. So let's briefly do that right now. All right, so I created a switch statement, and basically the input is the days of the week enumerator, and then we're just going to go through the cases and seeing which of the values applies to the enumerator that we set on line 17. So we have the enumerator set as Sunday, so we're going to determine what the output is, and I'm sure you can guess what the answer will be. All right, so I'm sure as you figured correctly, our output is on line 26. Today is Sunday. So that's a pretty quick overview of enumerators. Try some out on your own as well. They're very useful, especially if you want to deal with values that you know aren't going to change. All right, here's our assignment for this topic. Number 1, true or false? Enum variables are automatically declared as final. Number 2, what are the use of enums? Number 3, create an enum with your top 5 favorite places you want to travel to. Make a for loop that will output all the values in the enum. If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.